Now I said I'd be getting into more videos on tech stuff, so here we go. This is going to be covering the Fox body stuff, on 3 kit of course, so here it goes. Now, this car's been over fueling pretty bad, and I'm looking at these injectors going, well, these are not Deca injectors, plus they got adapters, and I'm almost positive these are some sort of Chinese fucking rip-off injectors. Now, on3 does sell true Deca injectors. These are the 80s. This is what's going to be going in this one. And they have the true Deca 60s as well. They got the smooth body. No, they're not Chinese knockoffs. On3 does have its own brand of injectors. They offer ID injectors and all that stuff too. But the biggest issue is this is going to be the hairbrainer. This one does have the slot meter down in the fender over here. I'm going to be checking the wiring on all that. Hooking the motes up and cleaning up all this wiring over here as well. So, there'll be more to come. I've fixed a lot of vacuum leaks just putting that in there. I got to mount that up there and clean up a lot of this mess. As you can see, this is a mess. But, that is it for today. Getting your right spark plugs for the cylinder head you have are the other big issues I see with guys not getting this stuff right. And you see, as you can see, the angle on the distributor isn't the greatest on this, but it gives plenty of room. I'm going to mark the balancer and check things and just go from there with it. But the intercooler in this is sitting way too high and whatnot. But I'm going to be straightening out a lot of issues on this one and doing probably some tech videos and some other help videos, should I say. This is going to be a typical setup. This has got the 76 on it. Typical on3 kit. Downpipe blanket. Headers are wrapped. Crossovers not. But there'll be a lot more to come with stuff like this. So guys, stay tuned, stay into the channel. Plus we'll be getting into some nitrous tech too as soon as I ever get this thing out of the garage and get it rolling again. It runs and drives. It's not broke. It's just I haven't wired up the controller and made up my mind on a steering wheel. And well, I haven't even been driving the thing. But soon, about to switch jobs and things are going to be changing up. So make sure everybody follows the channel. Make sure you give us a like. I'm coming back from the on3 Auto, or the Gearhead Auto and Customs Facebook page, and all the stuff is going to be on the Gearhead Rob page from here on out. This video will be loaded to both channels because we're covering on3 stuff. But my old Gearhead Rob page has been revamped. I've been posting some videos. There's some tech videos, some carburetor videos. And we're probably going to be getting down to some racing videos with this piece of shit eventually. But as you can see, it doesn't matter what it is. I can work on it. Now, I'm very selective on what I do, and I'm going to keep it that way. Because my main job is my main goals. But make sure you follow along. There's a lot of things I'm going to be straightening up on this, and well, as things go, I might get into some of the moat setup stuff to help some of you guys out. I'm going to be working with a tuner so I can understand some things a little bit better with it. But yeah, there's a lot of hickory mess. I'm going to be going over some tech on wiring on some of these as well. And I'm probably going to cover the vacuum routing as well here. Since a lot of the tech videos from the old one, I kind of slacked on a lot of the Fox body stuff. I did put a lot of Fox body on3 videos up on the Gearhead Auto and Customs page, but I didn't get too in depth with a lot of install stuff. But a lot of the stuff, tech data I'm going to be giving you guys is going to be helpful. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and like and follow along.